Oh, damn, the little black dude's back again, and guess what? I just got some mail. Hey everybody, you're at home with a geek. I'm Mark, aka the little black dude. And once again, it's time for another unboxing. This particular unboxing comes from my friend David, who is my good friend and my dojo brother. We spent many years training together. When I talked about my YouTube channel, he was one of the people that was most excited. He was like, dude, I definitely want to see what you're going to do. I can't wait to see what's going on. When I told him that I was going to start doing unboxings, he's like, I got to send you something. So it finally arrived not too long ago. So of course, here comes the unboxing. Absolutely. There's a lot of tape on this one. This is going to be a little harder than the others, I guess. I don't want to damage whatever's in here, because it says fragile on all of this stuff. Look at this. Fragile everywhere. So fragile. It is so fragile. But I am still excited about what's in here as soon as I can open this thing up. I don't know how I'm supposed to open this with all this tape on it. Oh, here we go. Now we're making progress. Alright. Oh, what do we got in here? Okay. Oh, wow. There's a canvas in here. Ooh, okay, I like all. Ooh, oh, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be really good. Oh man, look at this. I got a double gift here. Okay, first things first. This is a print. Oh, this is very cool. My friend David does a lot of print work, and he made a lovely print of Super Saiyan Gogeta. And this is something I can put up on my wall. I really like this. As a matter of fact, I think it will fit right in here for now. Okay, that's pretty cool. Now, David also does silk screening work, and he made me a shirt. That feels much better. I really like this. Again, thank you, David, for sending me this shirt as well as the other print. They are both very cool. As you know, I have always been a very big Dragon Ball fan. Ever since the show was starting to run in America in the early 90s, I watched it every chance I got. I tried to make sure I knew everything that there was to know about Dragon Ball. It was one of the big three for me, as a matter of fact, between Dragon Ball, Sailor Moon, and Ronin Warriors, or as I like to refer to it, Yoroi Den Samurai Turupa. But that's beside the point, of course. I am really proud of, my anime heritage. Even though I love DC Comics like crazy, I am a huge Green Lantern fan. More on that in another video, but I absolutely love Dragon Ball. There is also a note that was in here. David writes, "This is the real DBZ, not the fake crap seen in the movies." Yeah, that's something else for another video. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you ring my bell so that you get notifications when a new video goes up. And if you're wondering about the controllers, you might want to come back for that too. And if you've got some time, check out some of my other videos. Until next time, this is the little black dude. Stay geek and proud.